Causes of extinction. Climate change and the 5 previous mass extinctions. Since life began on Earth, there have been several major mass extinctions. If you look closely at the geological timescale, you will find that at least 5 major mass extinctions have occurred in the past 540 million years. In each mass extinction, over 50% of animal species died out. Though species go extinct frequently, a mass extinction in which such a high percentage of species go extinct is rare. Scientists have found evidence that suggests changes to Earth's climate, either rapid or over a long period, were involved in most of the previous mass extinctions. Species evolve to survive in particular environments, so any climate change can potentially be dangerous. Evidence suggests that 2 of the previous mass extinctions involved increases in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In both of these cases, volcanic eruptions led to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide, which led to increases in temperature and ocean acidification. Most species were not able to survive these changes. Polar bears are threatened by climate change. Climate change and the potential 6th mass extinction. During the past 100 years, the Earth's average temperature has risen by almost 1 degree Celsius, about 1.3 degrees Fahrenheit. This may not seem like a big change. However, as we saw in the case of previous mass extinctions, any change is potentially harmful to species. Even a brief change in climate may be too stressful for a species to survive. For example, if the seas increase in temperature, even briefly, it may be too warm for certain types of fish to reproduce. Human behaviors have contributed to this change. As we learned previously, an increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can lead to higher temperatures and ocean acidification. Human actions, such as burning fossil fuels, release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Over the past 200 years, our increased use of fossil fuels, such as oil, coal, and natural gas, has changed Earth's climate. Stop and check. How can climate change be related to mass extinctions? What does human-caused climate change have to do with the possible 6th mass extinction? Other human causes of extinction. A habitat is a natural home or environment of an organism. Many human activities can lead to the destruction of other organisms' habitats. Habitat destruction can cause the extinction of a species. 2 ways humans cause habitat destruction is by clearing land for agriculture or real estate and by drilling into earth to extract natural resources. Strip coal mining has destroyed an entire ecosystem. Pollution adds chemicals, noise, heat, or even light to an environment. Pollution can have many different harmful effects on all kinds of organisms. For example, the pesticide DDT nearly eliminated the peregrine falcon in some parts of the world. This pesticide caused falcons to lay eggs with thinner shells. As a result, fewer falcon eggs survived to hatch. Populations of peregrine falcons declined rapidly. DDT was then banned in the United States, and peregrine falcon populations have recovered. Water pollution threatens vital freshwater and marine resources throughout the world. Specifically, industrial and agricultural chemicals, waste, and acid rain threaten water. As water is essential for all ecosystems, water pollution can result in the extinction of species. Soil contamination can also result in extinction. Soil contamination can come from toxic industrial and municipal wastes, salts from irrigation, and pesticides from agriculture. These substances can degrade the soil as well. As soil is the foundation of terrestrial ecosystems, this can result in extinction. Bird that was a victim of an oil spill. Stop and check. How are other human activities leading to a possible 6th extinction? Human population has increased dramatically over the past 200 years. In the beginning of the 1800s, the human population reached 1 billion. The number of humans on Earth passed the 7 billion mark in October 2011 and will probably pass 9 billion before the middle of this century. All these people will need resources such as places to live, food to eat, and water to drink, and they will use energy and create waste. As more humans inhabit Earth, there will be increases in all of the human-related causes of extinction. For example, more people on Earth means more people contributing to climate change and pollution. More people on Earth also means more clearing of land for agriculture and housing. This destruction can force species to go extinct.